Hey guys, Joelster here. So this time I have a brand new screen from Elite ProAV. This is a subsidiary brand from Elite Screens, which of course they have some of the highest quality projector screens available in the market. So this is the WhiteBoard Edge CLR2 screen, which has two main features. One is that you can use it as a dry eraser whiteboard for educational purposes or at work as a presentation board. You can also use it for entertainment purposes as a projection screen, so you can enjoy movies, watch videos, or even gaming using an ultra short throw laser projector or a short throw projector. Now the CLR feature provides superb color temperature, image brightness without the glare that occurs on regular whiteboards. It also absorbs up to 85% of overhead light to provide better contrast and deeper black levels for a superior picture quality. And it is also ISF certified for accurate color reproduction. Now I tested the screen under ambient light and compared with a regular cine-white screen, and you can definitely see the difference and improvement this screen provides to the picture. Now the screen has a scratch-resistant laminate coating that offers protection against damages when writing on the screen surface. Just make sure that you're using the dry eraser highlighters provided or compatible ones for a long-lasting functionality. Now there's also a heavy-duty tray included to store your pens or the erasers for immediate reach. Now I found this very useful. Now the screen arrives fully assembled, which is very convenient. Mounting hardware and accessories are also included. The installation process is very simple. It took me around 15 minutes to set it up and the screen was ready to go. Now one more thing I wanted to mention is that make sure you set it up correctly. There is a sticker that shows you which side goes up, and this is to maximize the picture brightness. So if you're looking for a screen that also works as a whiteboard for maybe educational purposes or entertainment purposes, this screen comes highly recommended, guys. Just remember that this is designed for ultra short throw or short throw projectors because of the CLR material it's using. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're interested in more information, pricing on everything, I'm going to leave links right here in the description of this video. You guys are welcome to check it out. In the meantime, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Joelster, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Joelster out!
Elite ProAV. Get the big picture.